Trust Wallet is one of the most widely used DeFi wallets for mobile phones. Being acquired by Binance in 2018, it's also connected to one of the biggest exchanges in the crypto space as of right now. In this video, I will be giving you a full beginner walkthrough of all of the app's features, including setting up a wallet and making your first crypto purchase. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. When you first open the app, you'll be presented with an option to either import or create a new Trust wallet. Assuming you're a complete beginner who hasn't had a DeFi wallet on any other platforms, you'll want to press I don't have a wallet. After this, you'll be required to select a 6-digit password for your wallet. This is what you'll use whenever you make a transfer or purchase, so make sure to choose wisely. Enter your selected password twice to move on to the next step. This next step is crucial, as you'll be presented with a secret recovery phrase that you'll need to restore your wallet in case you lose your phone or forget your password. If you're on an iPhone, you can use iCloud to save the phrase instantly. However, for maximum security, I recommend that you only store your phrase manually, for example by writing it down on a piece of paper that you put somewhere safe. Once you've saved your recovery phrase, you'll be entered into your wallet. This is where you'll be able to see and manage all of your crypto assets. Let's go over all of its features. For starters, you can send and receive crypto like with any other wallet or exchange. To receive crypto, you simply tap the receive button, select which coin you want to receive, and you'll be displayed with the address as well as a QR code for quick deposits. Sending money follows the same procedure. Simply press send, select your coin, and paste in the recipient's address and which amount you want to send. The send screen also has a handy QR code scanner so that you can scan an address instead of typing or pasting it in manually. A cool feature for the Trust wallet is that it allows you to buy crypto directly in the app. Simply hit buy, select which coin you want to purchase and for how much. Trust will then scan through its affiliated exchanges to give you the best price. Just keep in mind that this is done through card purchases, which usually comes with chunky fees that can be avoided by purchasing your crypto on a normal exchange and transferring it to your Trust wallet manually. Finally, we have the Earn feature, which allows you to stake some coins directly on their native chains. You'll be able to see the expected yearly return on the staking menu, and pressing a coin will let you see the lock period before you proceed. If you want to know more about DeFi staking, you can check out my tutorial on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, where I go over native staking on their chain. Another feature to be aware about is the button on the top right corner. This is the token menu, where you'll be able to enable and disable which tokens you want to see on your wallet menu. For example, I can activate XRP and BCH, and as you can see, they both now pop up on my wallet menu. Disabling a coin does not remove it from your wallet, it simply hides it from being displayed. Next up, we have the swap feature. This allows you to trade one coin for another directly in the app. Keep in mind that swapping coins on DeFi Wallet differs a lot from swapping them on exchanges. It can come with hefty network fees and direct price impacts depending on which coin you're trading. It's also more restricted since the tokens you'll be able to swap with one another depend on which network they're on. Moving on, there's also the Discover tab. Here you'll be able to see the latest crypto news, high yield staking suggestions, coin promotions, and external platforms where you can lend and swap your coins. One DeFi swapping platform that's commonly used with Trust Wallet is PancakeSwap, which I've made a video on as well if you're interested. Next is the Browser tab. This is basically a DuckDuckGo browser that's integrated directly in the app. It's mainly useful if you want to connect your Trust wallet to external websites for trading or lending purposes. And finally, we have the Settings tab. Here you can add and remove wallets, set up price alerts for coins that you want to follow, and add contacts for quick and easy payments. There's also features for toggling app notifications and changing your in-app language and currency. Should you have any issue with the Trust app, there's also an option to contact your customer support further down. All in all, the Trust app is a definite go-to for anyone who wants an easy and accessible way to store their crypto off the exchanges where they are at potentially greater risk for hacking or, well, other mishaps. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's my first one in a while, so feel free to leave a comment if you have any feedback or suggestions. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.